gotta say it. She can get a taste. She can get a taste.
So guys, I took myself out to Bahama Breeze, and right now I'm gonna be waiting for my meal. So in the next clip I'll show you guys the meal that I'm getting. So stay tuned. I'm probably gonna go to the mall and show you guys some footage of like maybe some of the stores, and I don't know, I might do some job searching out here as well. So just keep watching, stay tuned for the rest of the clips. So yeah. Okay you guys, so I'm at the Sawgrass Mills Mall and I'm trying to figure out what I want to do, probably like job searching or something in order for me to, you know, get a job. So yeah, I might show you guys a couple stores. Also, I might probably do a little shopping. I hope this goes well with the vlogging, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so this mall is huge. This is just the end, so I'll be able to show you guys like a couple of stores as I walk. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys like a couple of the stores that they have. So yeah, Foot Lockers, all other stores. Guys, they also have the food court near here, so if you want anything you could order. They got a couple of stores like Polo, Champ, Carter's, a whole bunch of other, Ahead of You, O'Neill. What is that? Switch or Swatch, whatever. A couple of stores that I don't know the name of. Adidas. Further down, Pandora. A Home Nines. They got Guess. They got H&M, GameStop. Fragrance outlets. A whole bunch of things. A place called Hollister in pink. They also have Banana Republic. So they have underwears in pink for $8 and buy 8 underwears for $25. So I think I'm gonna hit the jackpot. Also they said that you can also check at Victoria's Secret, which is next door, so I might try to find what's next. Okay you guys, this is what I got from Pink and Victoria's Secret. The deal was 8 for $25. You can't really see it, but yeah. Okay you guys, so I'm outside of the mall entrance and waiting for my ride. I actually went to Burlington and Victoria's Secret and Pink. And Victoria's Secret and Pink alone, because they were right next to each other, it took about like maybe a good 20 something minutes, just because like, you know how like the underwears are like mixed in and like different sizes are mixed in, so that kind of was difficult. But they had a promotion for like $8.25, so I did that promotion, which was pretty good because, you know, I needed underwears. And then what I did was I went to Burlington and I got me a couple of sandals and a couple of like outfits. I would show you guys, but I mean, I don't know, I might take pictures of them, put them in the thumbnail, I'm not sure, but maybe I should just show you like a couple of clips of like things like that. And then underwear is it's pretty cool, so you know. So I'll just show you guys like the pictures in the thumbnail. So but yeah guys, I'm sorry I didn't vlog the whole mall because I was too busy trying to shop, and also I'm gonna be, you know, also job searching online, so I don't know, I'll just try to figure this out because, you know, a lot of people are just like staring at me, so it's kind of weird. But I'm trying to like try to vlog in public because I kind of feel weird just talking to myself like that. So alright guys, but thank you.